Okay, for this segment, this is about definitely a 2-second improvement, of quite a bit more. We get electronic documents that need to be signed, the signature, and returned all the time. So what that entails certainly is I've got to go ahead here and print it. Okay, I've got to walk out to the printer and take it off the printer. Now I've got to sign it. Then I've got to go to a scanner here at the front of the office. Here I've got to scan the document now that it's been signed, log in, and send it to myself, which all takes a significant amount of time, and it also wastes all of this paper now that I'm just going to email it back to somebody. So we're going to figure out a way to sign these documents in a PDF and send them back, never have to print, scan, or re-email, and we'll just do a reply.
So we're back here at Vince Polimas' office, and Vince is going to show us how to get a signature stamp on Adobe Pro, so you can sign your documents and email them back without having to print and scan and resend. So I'll let Vince take it from here.
Okay, well the first step is we need to get your signature. So take a blank sheet of white paper and sign your name to it. For best results, use a black pen, and it has a fairly thick line. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this over to the scanner and just scan it like we normally would. I've already scanned it, so I'm going to open up that scan. So now I've got my sheet of paper that has my signature on it. I want to get it so that my signature is the only thing we see. So we're going to go to Tools, Advanced Editing, Crop, and I'm going to crop just my, hit Enter, hit OK. Now I have just my signature. I'm going to go ahead and save this. You can save it wherever you want to save it. In my case, I'll just go ahead and put it in my System folder, and we'll just call it Vince Polimas Signature. Now what we do, now that we have this saved, I'm going to go to Tools again, Comment and Markup, Stamps, Create Custom Stamp. So Comment and Markup, Stamps, Create Custom Stamp. Browse to wherever you saved your signature. There's my signature. Hit OK. You got categories you can select. I like to put my signatures in Sign Here, and I'm just going to call it Vince Signature. Don't need to worry about anything else. Just hit OK here. Now at this point, if I go and open up any other PDF document, let's say I pulled up one of our shop work orders and I, for some reason, want to put my signature on it, I can go to Tools, I can go to Comment Markup, Stamps, to Sign Here, and there's my, Stamps, Sign Here, there's my signature. When I click on that, my signature now is ready, and I can put it anywhere I want to put. I can go ahead and sign the bottom of this shop work order. It's an image, so if I needed to make it bigger or smaller, I can go ahead and drag my signature bigger or smaller. You could do this with anything. So if you had an approval stamp that you wanted to put on fabrication drawings, you could go ahead, get a scan of that stamp. Anything you want, you can create, and it's ready to go for you. And that's how we put a signature into Adobe Pro.
Excellent. Thank you, Vince.